Now, the moment you guys have been waiting for. This walkway doesn't just take you to a garage. It takes you to a garage filled with $1.3 million. What's going on, Snake Gang? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, like I always say, smash the subscribe button. Go down below, hit the subscribe button. You gotta be subscribed, you gotta hit the bell icon, do all that good shit. You don't wanna miss a video because my videos are good. They help people out. You know, if I'm ever breaking down a trade or letting you guys know about a trade I'm trying to get into, you want to have notifications on so you can see them before everyone else. Now, what I got for you guys today is a special video. Highly anticipated. You guys have been waiting for this video for weeks now. I told you guys I was working on my office. I want to kind of play a couple clips for you guys real quick of the office before now so you guys can kind of see what it looked like before we did the adjustments, changed the carpet, added doors, all that good shit. So just look at the clips. Now, I want to go over the office tour. I just want to hop right into it. When you first walk up to the house, I showed you guys in the very first kind of like about the new house video. You have a courtyard setup. This is a basic courtyard setup. I mean, we're just, you know, courtyardy. We got the door, we got the side yard, the backyard, basement. But this door right here, my favorite door, leads to the office. Another thing we got right here is a waterfall. I mean, it's not on right now, but usually it's on, but I realized that it's really loud, obnoxious, and the microphone picks it up way too well, so we're leaving that off right now. I want to show you guys the office. Wait, before we get in the office, hold up. You didn't hit the like button yet, did you? Go down below and hit the fucking like button. If you don't hit the like button, you don't get to see the office. It's disrespectful. I'm showing you the office, I'm showing you something cool, but you're not helping me in return by just hitting the like button. It's fucking free. Go down below, hit the like button, and then we'll go in. You hit the like button? Alright, come on. Here we go. We got the office, man. Like I said, the first thing you notice when you're in the office is the waterfall running. Like I said, it's typically running. It sounds really good. Very peaceful while you're trading. It's actually really nice for a trader. So that's like the best part. I like to leave the door open. First part about the office. It's got it all in. What the f? Hold on. First thing about the office, it's got an all-inclusive suite type of bathroom setup. This is my type of motherfucking bathroom. We got, and then we got a shower, a toilet, you know. Motherfuckers is trading shit, they gotta take a dookie. That's good, that's a good feature. Come on, I'm gonna shut the door, There's a lot in here, it's a lot to unpack. And our filmer just backed into the door. We got the screen, you know what I'm saying? We got the TV screen. It's my favorite trader right now. I think he's the best, I think he's the handsomest. You know, MambaFx comes from the root of Kobe. And I've always been a Kobe fan since I was little. I watched him, I'm 21 years old. Been watching him since I was one, basically, his whole career. So a lot of inspiration from that Mamba mentality. That's where I get it from. So I ended up changing my name to MambaFx a few years ago. And when that happened, that's when I blew up. I took off and really started trading for real like that. The whole Mamba thing came to play. We got a couch right here. I'll just be chilling in here. You know, I could just chill. If I just need a break from trading, I'll just chill, watch TV, watch MambaFx. And just chill. My girl comes in here all the time. We just chill, fuck a little bit. Just kidding. I like it especially too because when I'm like trading or, you know, I'm just doing whatever I'm doing, my wife literally will just come here and chill, just give me company because you don't really want to be alone trading shit. Like, sometimes it's nice to have someone to talk to. So for the screens, I kind of just have a basic 49-inch curved screen, and then we also have just a regular like 30-something 2-inch or something. No, 39, some inches. It's got some inches on it. So I split screen this, and then I split screen this so I can have 4 screens. I like to look at 2 pairs. I really just trade JPY, NASDAQ. Sometimes, you know, other pairs I talk about, but those are the main pairs. So I'll have my main JPY pair here, and then boom, NASDAQ right here. Let's move on. We have a little poster right here. Salary, the bribe they give you to stop chasing your dreams. I don't know what the fuck that means, but I found it on Amazon and it looked cool. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's like some kind of Wetzel pretzel. It looks like a fucking, Then obviously we got the classic MambaFx bowl combination. I've been having this like for 2 years now. I always have it because it's just classic. That's just what I do. We also got the plaque, the 100K. I'm trying to get to 1 million still. We got the Louis Gucci, all that Cartier book stuff, basic decorations, stuff like that, you know. Just cool stuff you find at Hobby Lobby and shit like that. Now, the moment you guys have been waiting for. This walkway doesn't just take you to a garage. It takes you to a garage filled with $1.3 million worth of cars. I fucking love this right here. This used to be a closet, as you guys saw. Now it's a pathway, it's a doorway. Just come through here, I'll show you guys everything. We got a little drawer system right here, man. A little, just basic drawers, man. My filmer left the motherfucking Capri Sun in here, so I'll take care of that later. I'm so happy with how it came out. From a closet to a hallway, like this is cool. So you come down here, man, you got garage number one. Now, garage number one's got the best car. It's got the Lamborghini. You got the Lamborghini. You know what I'm saying? So, this is my favorite. This is definitely one of my favorite cars that I have ever owned. I've owned the McLaren. I've owned the Urus, the Huracan, i8s. I've had multiple Rolls Royces. I had a lot of cars, Bentleys, all that good shit. This is my favorite car. This is my favorite combo that we have right now. And if you guys look over, you'll see the full combo. We have the Maybach, the Cullinan, the Huracan, the Lamborghini, and the purple Tesla. Again, this is my favorite combo. I trade cars, I lose a lot of money on cars. Had this combo for a few months. It's a long time. To have all three of them for 3 months without trading one in is a lot for me. I go through cars like crazy, but I've had this little combo for a while. I don't see myself trading this combo in for a long time. I really, really enjoy the Cullinan. I love, it drives like just ridiculously smooth. It's like you're driving on a cloud, like literally a cloud. Maybach, interior is ridiculous, it's beautiful. And then of course we got the Lamborghini, which is a fucking Lamborghini. There's not a lot to say about it. Beautiful, beautiful cars. And we got a little freezer setup. This is where we're gonna keep some steak, some meat. And if my girl ever cheats on me, this is where you're gonna find her body. Right here we got the two rides. We got the Bird scooters. These motherfuckers is cool as shit. Me and my girl just be cruising the neighborhood, egging people's houses and shit. One thing I really love about the house, the office, is that it does connect. Like you can come through here, out through the door, and out to the front area. Or you can go through the garage to the front area. It's like a big circle, so it's really cool the way it's set up. I really enjoy it. My favorite part about this office, we're disconnected from the main house. So all these fucking, look at, you can see some kids right now. Look at this shit. See the motherfuckers over there? You can see their shadows. Loud. You see how you can't see how you don't hear nothing? It's because we're separated from the house. If this was connected to the house, you'd be hearing the whole video. So can't hear the kids. Favorite part, hands down my favorite part, is that we're disconnected with the garage, the front area. Like it's like your own little private area. So speaking of my kids, my oldest, she watched one of my videos and there was another one of the kids. I got 5 kids. One of the other kids was in the video and she said, "That's not fair, I wanna go viral. Can I be in your next video?" So I'm gonna go get her. Okay? You wanna go viral? Say something, do something crazy. Jump in the hot tub. Hi to your friends. Shout out to your friends at school. Shout out Emily. Shout out Melinda. Shout out Anna.
Melinda?
You don't got nothing to say. Look at the camera. It's on you. It's 140,000 people behind that camera looking at you. You want to say something? Say something. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, man. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram at MambaFx Trading. I know it was a short video. Like I said, I just want to show the office. A lot of you guys want to see the office because I was doing stuff to it, construction and all that. So here's the office. If you guys would like to see the finished house tour, we finished the movie theater room, backyard, side house, loft. I mean, we did a lot of stuff. So the house is jam-packed with like just crazy shit. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below and I will get you guys a full house tour next. I hope you guys enjoyed the office tour. Again, this is just simply to motivate you guys to want to do great things, get something like this. I'm never trying to flex. I never try to flex. I keep things funny. I'm not trying to shit on any of you. I'm trying to show you guys that you guys can do it too. This is what I have achieved at 21 years old. So it's just a motivation for you guys. Appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. All right, we're good. All right.
No, it's still recording.